back to my channel, different angle. So today's gonna be a little different. It's gonna be a cook with me situation because I've been in this house for how many days now? I have no clue anymore due to Corona, and at this point I figured why not make some content. So I am gonna clean up, wash up the dishes, and then I'm gonna bring you guys back for the meat seasoning and pasta boiling and oven going situation, because this is gonna be a nice, quick, easy dish that you can make, right? Take too long. So spaghetti and meatballs with garlic bread. You know, the garlic bread, it was store-bought. You can make homemade garlic bread. All you gotta do is put butter and garlic, like chop it up, put the butter, melt it in the microwave. A little bit of olive oil too is good. Then you take that, rub it up on your nice little tiny little bread, and then put it in the oven. You could drop a little bit of garlic on it too, get more garlic flavor. I love garlic, like I love garlic. Talking tripping, calling my nigga bitches, throwing dishes, really thought that you was losing your throne, but tell me what was I supposed to do? I could've started fighting, but I remember the years that I was close to you. So what I chose to do was let it slide, cause I knew that you was younger, that you had a better side. See, I'm a real friend, and it ain't too many living, but you the type to say you down, but no you isn't. Second grade, a long time, we was children. That's when the memory, so how you really feeling, huh? How you really feeling? Yeah. How you really feeling? Look, friends come, friends go, that's the motto. Ain't time for squares, cause I'm trying to win the lotto. Ain't hell if I know if you bitches finna win, that's why when I be on the road, I pay attention to the potholes. Yeah, real friends.
Okay, so now we're back. I have all the seasonings lined up. So we're gonna catch this here up before we start anything. First things first, on this Good Tuesday, we're gonna burn some sage. This is cedar, so you kind of want to set it on fire and okay, put it right back in my little petri dish. That.
So I'm gonna show you the ingredients I'm using. You're gonna need a knife and a cutting board, obviously. You're gonna need onion, garlic. I'm not gonna use the whole onion. I might not. No, actually I am, because half is gonna go inside this and the other half gonna go in the sauce. So yeah, cut up the whole onion. Then we got some crushed pepper flakes, some adobo. Everybody house got adobo. Black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, sazonder. This is my sauce. This seasons anything. You don't need nothing else, but I like adding other stuff. So we're gonna just add some chives, just to be extra, some parsley, just to be extra. Pack of sazon, can never leave sazon out of beef, and plain breadcrumbs. No, I don't really like breadcrumbs. I wanted panko, but they only had plain breadcrumbs. So you gotta take what you get when you're living out here. Okay? So I'm gonna cut this up. I just wanna just talk to you guys. I don't know, this coronavirus thing is not it. I feel so bad. Rest in peace to all the people that have passed away from this virus, because this is serious. Like tens of thousands of people have died. Like we already past 10,000 people dying from this. What do y'all think though? Y'all think it's a conspiracy theory, like most people say? Or, cause I don't know, honestly. The people in China is getting healthy again. Cause the people in LA, the people in New York, like New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut is banned from having people with more than 50 people. Why would y'all do, like, I understand it, but you know, it's like, they did what? So now that's when this thing is really serious. This whole thing is very, very scary. Because there's no way to know you have it unless you get tested or you have the symptoms. And they say a lot of people don't be showing no sign of symptoms until after they get it, or they get it later. So sheesh, that's pretty tough. Onions burn my eye. Onions. So you see, I cut up my onions, garlic, and onion. Like that's all, because I'm gonna add onion and garlic a lot. So I don't really cut up too much. Get your nice little bowl. Your pack of beef. I got one pack because I just got one pack. It's only me. How can I forget about the egg? The major key to getting these meatballs Oh yeah. So you plop your egg on first, cause that's what you need. That works. So yeah. So we throw our crushed pepper paste. I was looking for pepper sauce. That's that Caribbean pepper in the bottle. Ain't had none. Ghetto. So. Yes, everything. Yep, I'm having a reaction to every damn seasoning I use. Corona free though, for the most part. So I kind of just season till the ancestors say, you know, my child. But
I know, yeah, probably like, damn, she just shaking. Yeah, I'm just shaking for Jesus. But I can't remember if the last time I had bought beef, was it around the corner, or was it at the supermarket? Because one time I bought beef and I cooked it, and I did not like how it tasted. So, if I had cheese, I would
put cheese, but I don't got none, so we ain't gonna have none. So sprinkle like good amounts. I put parsley. I think I need more. Alright. So, oh, done it. So, relatively like half of that. Why? To give this flavor. Alright, that's good. If they're stuck together, so try to separate them. You know? So, your seasoning should look something like this. And then you start mixing. That's why you got that egg in there, to make sure everything sticks together. So, no, you're gonna add more breadcrumbs because like if your onions are protruding, that's fine. When you, ow, that's how true it is. Put a slap right in the stomach. It's fine, so that when you're balling them up, you can easily pull them out. For your I like to smell it. I don't care. Call me weird. So I'm gonna roll them off camera because you guys should know how meatballs are rolled. Before I continue, turn this other light on. Yes, I light over my stove. You know, a little sizzle. Anyway, so get a nice pot is gonna fry in. I have non-stick. You guys are wondering, oh, I didn't put the Sazon in. It is alright. Like, that's the spirit telling me you don't need none. So I'm gonna hot up the oil first. I put the meatballs in the fridge just so they get hard. Normally I don't fry them. I kind of just leave them in the fridge for like 2 hours, but I don't feel like doing that. I want these done now. So got me wanting to do shit I don't really do. Like organize my cabinet. I'm not doing that right now though, because but yeah, it got me wanting to organize my cabinet, my closet. I don't want to go in there. But I do have clothes I need to take out from like Jamaica, so I'm gonna do that. Save that video for another day. A try on haul. Yeah, I'm gonna see me trying on all my clothes from Jamaica. Well, clothes that I got for Jamaica. I ain't wear some of them shits. I ain't wear majority of them shits. But it was a good trip. Check out that vlog if you didn't. Shameless promo. So my oil's high. And I'm gonna stop talking to y'all now. So I don't burn myself, cause judge all you want. I don't care. I'm using jar salt.
When smartphones are expensive,
So,
put
me down first.
Step up with Boost Mobile and get 4 phones for free. Switch to Boost Mobile and get 4 lines for $25 per line. And 4 free Samsung Galaxy A
Put down your
phones.
little
All our
onions
super fast
and
network.
garlic. Wait till they turn a little brown first before you add that. And I'm gonna get this.
What's that, Virginia? You think I'm great? That's good.
So y'all can smell like. Now you can add the sauce. So I didn't use the whole can, so I'm gonna use the whole can. So I add a little bit of water. I ain't afraid to tap water. So you gotta turn this shit down because so what I do is I sprinkle and I just cover the sauce. And that's how I measure in the box. I might have to go down there. Drop these in. So, spaghetti. So I'm gonna run to the store. The noodles on. I use the whole pack. I don't know why. I got my pan. Normally I spray it with like pan or this olive oil spray I got. But I don't got none of those. So what you do is take it back. I'm gonna make 2 just so that the second one will already be pre-warmed. And I can, just put it in the oven. So just turn your oven on in the meantime.
You could put it up top, but I don't want it to burn. No matter the size of the pot of the pasta, just keep stirring it.
I'm showing you every little thing, but I showed you a good amount, so y'all could like cook it yourself. Let me know how it tastes, and season to your taste. Season to your taste. That's how I season mine. My taste. Season to your taste. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. I am going to insert a picture with my food once everything is done and plated and everything, so that you guys can see it. And stay strong through Corona. We about to have like the Corona Chronicles, because this indoor sit is feeling like modern day prison. Like, I gotta pay for rent, feed myself, do everything, but I can't go outside or be outside in groups of people for long periods of time. But anyways, hopefully this whole thing can be over soon. Natural lighting from a distance. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will see you guys in the next video. Shout out to the Rice Krispies box in the back.